Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Honda NC750X. This is the dual clutch automatic with ABS brakes. This Honda demo bike has 2,040 miles and you get the full factory warranty. It also has heated electric grips, hand guards, rear locking cases, top case, engine guards, center stand. All that comes at no extra charge. Come by, check it out. This bike is not going to be here long, believe me. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Did I say automatic transmission? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.